Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I will teach you how to create a monetizable Facebook page. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. For you to create a monetizable Facebook page, you need to log in using your main Facebook account or your desktop or your laptop. Don't use Facebook Lite. Okay, so if you have already downloaded your Facebook, your main Facebook from Play Store, you go straight and open it. Now, if you have Facebook account, this is how it will look like. If you don't have an account, it means you have to create your account and log in. After logging in, you see these three dots here at top right. Click on them. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech. After clicking on it, you come down to pages. Click on pages. Good, it's loading. After clicking on pages, you see this plus icon here. Click on create. Now, at first, it used to be just public page, but now they have changed it. You can create another profile inside your normal profile, but now it is two. Okay, then you can check this compare options to see which one you actually need. Like personal profile, you connect with friends, decide who your friends are can see your posts. Then public, so then professional tools is only for public page. Shared access only for public page. But for you to create a monetizable Facebook page, you need to take but this public page, not personal profile. Okay, so you take public page, you click on next, you type the name of the page you want. Let's say the name is True God, truth about God, or truth about the Bible, truth about Bible. Let's say that's a Facebook name. You click on next. Now you select your category. The category, since I'm talking about Bible, it means it's religion. It's religion, religious organization. You click on religious organization. So when you are creating your own, if you are doing it for shop or whatsoever, education, you have to type it there. You click now on create. You wait for it to load. It's creating. Good. It's almost done. Okay. Now you have to you have created your page. Now it says you have created your page. What best describe your page? Okay, you it's not promote your product and service since it's not a shop. It's create content and connect with fans. You click on it and take continue. Now you write your bio, like let's say details about the word of God. Good. Then if you have a website you put, if you have email you put, it's good to fill all these things because when you fill it, that's how Facebook will quickly recommend your page. Okay, your town and all the rest you fill. You click on next. Okay, after clicking on next, you have to put your profile picture and your cover art. So if you want but a logo to appear here and you don't know how to create it, you can come to Meta AI and you type that it should give you a logo concerning what you just wrote there. Give me a logo about, okay, let's just do it. Give me a logo using truth about Bible. Okay, you type this and send. Meta AI will create a logo for you. So it's loading, it's loading. Okay, it's here. Truth about Bible. Truth about Bible, yes. This one is good. Right? You take save. After saving, you come down to your page, you click on this icon, you click on the logo. It's uploading. Good, it's already there. For your cover art, you can still use the same logo, but for the sake of this tutorial, normally you are supposed to use something a bit different, but I will just use that one. Okay, then when you're done with that, you click next. Then you click next. From here, your page is almost done. You click done. So I'm logging into the page now, and boom, is here. This is how your page will look like. You can start creating posts or creating reels. Okay, yes, but let me quickly show you something. This your profile here is showing fair because you have not yet added your email, your location, and all the rest. So make sure you add all these things so that your profile will be excellent. And when it's showing excellent, that's when Facebook will quickly recommend the page to some followers. Okay, I have similar videos on this channel. Watch them. Don't forget to drop your comment in case you don't understand any point. Thank you for watching.